grocery haul today, and this is from Publix. They had a really good meat sale, so I shopped from there today. Usually I do Kroger, but today it's Publix. And I got a few things that I don't normally get because I'm making my Thanksgiving dressing recipe this weekend, and it'll be posted on this channel this week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my Southern cornbread keto dressing, because it's really good. Okay, first thing, heavy cream, nothing special. Then I got some Kettle and Fire bone broth. That's something that goes in the dressing. Onion, baking powder because I'm out. Coconut flour. I normally don't use coconut flour, but I do use it for this recipe. Breakfast sausage, as usual. Pancetta for Beckett, the little pieces. Beef liver. This is for Dr. Berry. How do you cook your beef liver, babe? How do you cook this?
Sauteed in butter, a little bit of garlic, a lot of salt.
Butter, garlic, salt, that's it. Have you ever tried it raw?
I have not, but I would.
I hear it's good, actually. Some more diced pancetta. Here's where it gets good, y'all. They had bone marrow in this week. Haven't found bone marrow in a really long time. So I'll probably do how I cook this week as well. It's pretty simple. There's not a whole lot to it. And I mean, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. What bone? I wonder, I don't even know. Is this, yeah, beef. This is beef bone. Pretty excited about that. I got some more oxtail, some more bone marrow. Oh my God, this is a good one. It's a good haul. They had their steaks on discount, so I got us a few more ribeyes. These are boneless ribeyes. More oxtail. More oxtail. We're loving oxtail lately. And these were cheaper. They had, theirs were $7 a pound. Usually I'm paying $9 a pound. So, and this has a lot of meat on it. I feel like the last ones I got didn't have that much meat. Anyways, these look so good. And then, oops, some sage, that's for the dressing. And celery for the dressing. So a few more veg in this week's haul, but for the most part, meat as usual. So that's it. I'm gonna put this stuff in the refrigerator and get started on breakfast here in a minute. Beckett's asleep, so take a little nap ski. What time is it? It's 11:30. So I'm doing a what I eat in a day vlog currently too, so that'll be up probably tomorrow. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you, mean it. Bye.